Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of personal growth and success. We're about to unlock the ultimate secret to epic transformation, the power of small, calculated changes coupled with massive action. So buckle up, because you're in for a ride. You've heard of Iman Gadzhi, the embodiment of hustle, strategy, and mastery. He's all about breaking free from limitations and hitting those insane goals. But guess what? He didn't just dream about it. He took massive action, starting with the smallest, most calculated shifts, the ones that snowballed into massive success. Picture this. You toss a pebble into a calm pond. The ripples start small, barely noticeable. But guess what? Those tiny ripples travel far and wide, creating waves that transform the entire surface. Just like in life, the tiniest changes you make can create monumental shifts, but only if you pair them with massive action. But he knows the drill, the compound effect. But here's the secret sauce. It's the consistent, massive action that fuels the compound effect. Small wins stack up to a mind-blowing transformation, but those small wins? They're the result of massive, intentional effort. It's a beautiful loop of small changes and massive action. Ah, resistance. That sneaky little thing that keeps us from stepping out of our comfort zones. But here's the twist. He embraced resistance and turned it into a stepping stone. He started small, tackling one challenge at a time, and then, boom. He followed up with relentless, massive action that pushed through any obstacle in his way. Now let's fuel your fire with some real-life inspo. Think about someone who wanted to build a personal brand. They started small, sharing bite-sized content, engaging with their audience, and refining their message. But here's the kicker. Their transformation skyrocketed when they combined those small changes with massive action. They didn't just talk about it, they went out and conquered it. All right, champs, here's your battle plan to conquer life. Set your epic goals. Identify the areas you want to dominate. Slice and dice. Break your mega goals into micro goals. Massive action. Execute one small change at a time, but do it with the ferocity of a lion chasing its prey. Track your wins. Keep a log of your progress. No win is too small to celebrate. Level up. As you conquer one challenge, level up with the next. And remember, action speaks louder than words. You've got the Iman Gadzhi blueprint now. Small changes are your foundation, but massive action is your rocket fuel. Now you're ready to unleash your inner powerhouse, and I believe in your success. Until next time, remember, it's not just about talking. It's about taking massive, relentless action. Don't forget to leave this video a like if you enjoyed the video. Have a great rest of your day. Until next, keep hustling.